Annyeonghaseyo, Christoph and Omar.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, since you are not attending the live in the study room, right? Because it's already raining. Okay, all of the students that pass or that are honor students, 90 above, was given 200 pesos by Soyong Film. This is 200. And that was given by Soyong Film.
Soyong Film kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so how are you, Manati? Kumusta naman mo? So, Ate Ana Isoyo. So, kumusta naman mo, Ate, during the heavy rain?
So, may uwan gabi.
So, mag-flood, jud mo rin, no? Okay. So, how about inyong income? Sa trabaho ni mo, Te?
Wala pang hilot taon.
Mga hilot, yapon. Wala na ka nag-laundry? Laba?
Wala din na. Sakit na.
Sakit na, no? Kay Gors na. Ikaw, gisa may maghatag og baon ni mo? Si Lola? Tagong kag skwela? Walay absinay?
Wala.
So, nanawi atay special ha nga reading session, okay? Okay, as what you have said, dili na mo pa graduate to na grade 7 if dili ka balo mo. And then you are still at level 1, so we need to do an extra effort, okay? So, that is every weekend, right? Okay. So, manina simong dunggan. Our phones, okay. Sige, this is Anna and Anna's Sweet Harmony, okay? So, today, Amagatanin sent you or gives you allowance fee for your school and also for your everyday expenses, okay? So, here is your 6,000 pesos. So, pala ko count lang that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amagitanin kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. So, unsa may resulti ni Amagatanin?
Hinga ko niya.
Wingaw ka niya. Amagatanin, bago si Poyo. Ana said, mga tana sa kaniya when is his birthday. So, Amagatanin, Mama Ana ask if when is your birthday. Nga naman? Para makabalo ka? Sige. So, also, always remember that in order for you to repay Amagatanin's kindness, you have to do best on your school. Okay? So, dapat maningkamot siya dati, Ana, ha? So that makahelp sa gani ati Lola, ha? Okay? Sige, salamat kayo na. Naghilak na yun. Okay na.
Kaya may kuan mo ni mo. Birthday o. Siya punuan. Siya punuan.
Okay. And also, ati, do not forget to save your money also, ha? So, mas maayo ang half ana i-save. Okay? Because that is one of the rule na sa Mactan Korea channel. Okay? Okay, para in the future, naara mo'y makuot if you needed money para sa school project or sa school allowance. Especially sa emergency, ha? Okay, so lula ka ba ninyo yung gisalig ka? Okay? So, imuhang balance now is 6,000. So, ana jud, save good, ha? Okay? Sige. So, kinsa may mo sud sa imuhang Cebuana? Si ate ka, no? Si Lola man ang nagkupot sa imuhang Cebuana. So, patabang lang mo ni ate if your ate is not available, you can contact me. And, I will accompany you sa Cebuana store, ha? Okay. Thank you kay ate. And also, ate Ana, ha? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
So you're Raniel and Justine. So yesterday was our teacher meeting. So Chocominim, Raniel give another 1 month of your transportation fee, which is 1,500. And still Ako lang gapoy magunita na ha. Everyday makuha kag plate na ako in eskwela ha. And also Saturday and Sundays. And you, Justin, you have 500 pesos allowance. And that is all from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsamida.
Kamsamida Chocominim. And study well ha. Especially you. Ha? Study well. Dili na mag-absent sa formal school nakasabot. Sige lang tando ha. Bantay bitaw ha. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Uncle Gegam Name gave me a new phone, and I am so thankful and grateful for my new phone. And since my old phone is working good, I am going to give my old phone to my mom.
Gigom Durinim, kamsamida.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.